In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join chat on Microsoft Teams. Starting off, let's dive right into the Microsoft Teams experience, an essential tool for collaboration and communication in today's digital workspace. Whether you're new to Teams or looking to refine your skills, this guide is tailored to help you navigate and utilize chat with ease. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, the process is straightforward. Click on the Sign In button. This step is crucial as it requires you to enter your login credentials. Make sure to use the account associated with your Teams workspace. If you're not sure which account to use, or if you're logging in for the first time, your organization's IT department should be able to provide you with the necessary details. After successfully signing in, your next move is to find the chat function. Look for the Chat tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Microsoft Teams organizes its main features in this sidebar for easy navigation, so getting to chat should be a breeze. Now that you're in the chat section, it's time to search for the person or group you want to join in a conversation with. Click on the search bar at the top of the chat section. This powerful feature allows you to quickly find contacts, conversations, or groups. If you're looking to start a new conversation or join an existing one, this is where you start. Moving on, if your intention is to invite someone new to your Teams environment who might not already be part of your organization or group chat, Microsoft Teams has got you covered. Look for the option titled Invite People to Teams. This can usually be found within the Chat section or Settings, depending on your version of Teams. Clicking this will give you the tools you need to extend an invitation. Once you click on Invite People to Teams, you'll be presented with several options to send an invite. One of the most straightforward methods is to use the Copy button. This button allows you to copy an invitation link that you can then share with the person you wish to invite. Whether it's through email, a messaging app, or another form of communication, sharing this link is your ticket to expanding your team's collaboration efforts. Finally, give the copied link to someone you wish to invite. This stage is where the magic of digital communication brings new members into your team space. Whether it's a new colleague, a guest speaker, or anyone else you're looking to collaborate with, sending them the invite is the final step in this process. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the ins and outs of joining a chat on Microsoft Teams. With these steps, you can streamline your communication, foster collaboration, and ensure you're making the most out of your team's experience. Remember, the key to mastering any digital tool is exploration and consistent use, so don't hesitate to dive in and start chatting today. Happy collaborating!